Hey everyone, I just wanted to come to you and give you a quick update. Today, the 3rd of August at 5:05 p.m., I had a massive heart attack. And as you can tell, I'm laying in bed. I am okay now. I had 100% blockage in the anterior artery, which is that front artery. They call it the Widowmaker. They got me to the hospital quickly. I called an ambulance. Oddly enough, I was outside working on my old Ford 660 tractor, and I was recording to post that on the channel. I really appreciate you guys taking time to check in on us and care about our lives. I would appreciate your prayers. I know that some of you were notified through different social media and by telephone and by email and text, and some of you were praying for me, and I thank you so much. I had a good Christian doctor, and we prayed together before and after the surgery. It appears that I may not have any damage to my heart. They won't know until the morning. They're going to do some studies tomorrow. They're going to do a ultrasound of my heart, but they did put in one stent, and that 100% blockage is now 100% open. Praise God. So thank you all. I appreciate you, and I'll keep in touch. God bless you.
Well, hello again, everyone. As you can tell, I am not in the bed at the hospital. I am home. Everything has turned out fine. This Widowmaker or potential Widowmaker heart attack that I had has turned out great. God has been gracious to me. The surgeon said my case was miraculous. She said she'd never seen anyone who was totally white. And as you can tell, I'm quite pink. I was totally white whenever I came into the ER, and my blood pressure was very low. Oddly enough, I had absolutely no indication of this. I'd never had any heart trouble, never had any chest pain with regard to this. I'd had some indigestion from GERD, but never anything like this. And when it hit, I knew exactly what was happening. And so, anyway, just wanted to give you an update, let you know that everything's turned out great. The ultrasound of my heart showed that I have a very small spot on the front top that had a little damage, and the cardiologist told me that it can improve over time. I actually feel better than I did before the heart attack because now my artery is 100% open. Thanks all of you for checking in on our channel, for caring about us, for praying for us, for being concerned about me, our family, our channel, returning to basics. Thank you so much. God bless you. Hey, I'll be out of commission for a couple of weeks because I can't drive. I can't lift anything. And so I see her in exactly 2 weeks, my cardiologist. And so until then, probably won't be doing anything unless I have some video already recorded. Again, thanks a million. God bless you. Thanks for the prayers. Have a super day.